everybody, it's me, Miss Bad Goldwing, or Mangoing and Blossom on Tumblr. And today I am doing a fun little science experiment today. It is putting model magic into a microwave. So let me go over the supplies and we'll get started, shall we? For this, I am only going to need two things. A bowl or a plate, a microwavable safe for bowl or plate, and a little bit of Crayola Model Magic. I'm using black. So I'm going to put it in my bowl. I'm going to go put it in the microwave. Set this down. Put this in. We're going to put this in the microwave for 30 seconds. Okay, I have not done this before. I don't know if this is going to explode or not. Okay, it's doing nothing. Okay, it's not doing much, really. Alright. Okay, bowl's a little hot. It's a little hot. Oh, actually, it's really soft. Like, I noticed, like, with Model Magic, the softer, the hotter it is, like, if you're putting it by heat, like body heat, or this type of heat, like microwave heat, it will become very soft. So, let's see how soft we can make it before it becomes liquid. I'm going to put it in there for an extra 30 seconds, and we'll see what happens. This is the second trial. I'm doing one more after this, so yeah. Okay, 10 more seconds. Okay, now it's starting to become liquid. It melted. Now it's like super soft, but like part of it melted. But let me just clean out the bowl first. I hope it's not that hard to clean out. It's almost like slime, but it's like really sticky though. I think once you put it in a cool area, it should start cooling down. Yeah. I don't want to do a third trial one now because, like, it has now officially melted onto the plate. As you can see right here, it fucking melted. Oh, crap. So, let me wash this off first, and I'll be back with you guys. Actually, no, I didn't have to wash it off, because once I put it in cold water again, it became a hard solid, and now it's stuck to my damn bowl. It's easy to get off, so don't worry, this stuff's pretty easy to get off. Oh boy, this will be fun cleaning up. Oh boy. So yeah, I hope you guys liked this video. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. And if you have any ideas, put them in the comment section, okay? Thank you. Bye.